Welcome to City 17.
Reverse backwards be hot. Oh. Hi. Welcome. First, want to explain our current range, I guess.
It's a piece of shit. This is our current range. It is literally a piece of. We've got shooting in the head later. I'm actively doing everything in my power with my bowels to not shit myself. What are you doing?
I actually just blast it off.
Is that loaded?
No. Now we're also gonna see the second guy here.
I'm dying. Help me.
Don't keep it loaded, son. You'll have to find ammo as you go.
This is the Rigger SR-45. It's really cringe. Who in God's green earth would... We're gonna take a crack. Bad I am at pistol shooting.
That flinch coil. Holy shit. Wait, hold on. You hear that?
Yeah.
Where'd that go?
How far back?
Protection.
How come my slide didn't hold back after?
Going closer so you can miss at a closer distance.
Actually true. Another one?
Nardboard.
Yeah, we're gonna finish the 4 rounds on this.
A rigger can make hit and miss products, maybe. I don't know. Why did you go through the extra
Wait,
effort?
I have a bunch in the pocket. I forgot about that.
Yay! Firearms!
Huh?
Huh? That's scuffed as
Bruh.
die!
Alright, so now we have armor. Take no prisoners.
Night, little bitch. For real. Damage assessment! Holy sh! This was part of it. This is his arm.
Where'd his head go?
His head is,
So entry wounds?
literally the definition of blowing their back out.
Oh.
Oh. This was... Is that copper wire? Oh god. You know what would be cool? If you, turn the camera around. I just did, so don't worry about it.
My little Romanian child. We built him a little shrine. Now we will conduct a monster test.
Give us some. Target sighted.
Yield 45 slug pancaked. So, I guess if you use a monster juice as armor, it'll stop 145. Can't even hit it. Uh-oh.
This is why you don't own piece of shit. Playing in a safe direction at all times. God, this is the stupidest fucking safety. Record this, Ooga Booga Man!
Now slide!
I got a radio signal. Bro, I'm gonna shit myself and hit multiple rocks. You're as dumb as a box of rocks.
Oh, it's so stupid. Oh.
There are so many snake holes.
Yo, where's it, Harry? Yo, where's it, Harry? Boss, you killed a chuck.
Ah, I missed. Yeah, because this is empty. One.
Do a cool tactical.
That was cool, but it was unintentional that it dropped the slide.
Oh. Okay. It went. What was that?
Tap.
What?
5 seconds. You hit 2.
So this is full of ammo that got like waterlogged. It gets worse as you go down.
It's an endurance test.
So hopefully this gun doesn't blow up my face. So that's why I got my safety glasses on. Cameraman, what are you doing?
I should probably get on the other side so if it explodes, it doesn't explode in my face.
You bastard! All right.
Bastard. Oh my god, the fireballs. Dude, do you see the amount of frag from it? It looks like you're firing shotgun shells, basically.
All right. I think it's safe. You can look at that.
I'm still gonna go on the left
Be
side.
behind me. Be like.
I am. I'm on the left side.
You can't see the action. Why the fire?
This is like a real case of you know when you hit it.